Just picked up this super cool Raycal modem which was used by Telecom Australia back in 1982, well before the internet. To give you an idea of speed and a dial-up modem connecting, I've prepared this. I could have sworn I've seen this 1200 baud modem somewhere before. I'm sure that old modem sound brings back memories of vintage dial-up. For those that don't know, baud rate is how many times a second the signal changes. The higher the baud rate, the faster the modem. So back in the early 80s, 1200 baud was considered very, very fast. I started out with a 300 baud modem, went to 2400, 96, 14.4, 28.8 and eventually 56k. But unlike most standalone modems for that time, this one is connected to a Datelphone Mark III dated 1982. Finding one of these is still attached is practically unheard of. I'm connecting it to a surge protector for extra safety. The moment of truth, I press a few buttons and there it is. Lights start flashing in the front panel, responding just like it did back in the early 80s. So let me know, what was the first modem that you had? Do you remember the brand? How fast was it? Let me know in the comments. And before I go, please consider subscribing or liking this video. It's a new channel that I'm getting up and running and I'd really appreciate your support. Let me know what things you'd like to see or don't like to see. I'm more than happy to hear from you and I'll see you on the next one.